Hi, my name is Juan David Tobar Vera, and today we are going to install Ubuntu in our virtual machine. So it's just getting start the operative system on the virtual machine. We already did it and configured that machine before. So we have our our file, our Ubuntu file into the virtual machine, and now we have to wait that the system loads. So this is our first screen that we have, and we are going to click on install Ubuntu. Um, but first of all, we have to click on English as an our main language on the system. So here we have to choose our keyboard layout, and we are going to to search for English Australian, and we have to select it. And also in the right side we have the language of the keyboard. So we are going to click in continue, and now we have the normal installation um, selected as a default. That's what we want, and also we have the download updates while installing Ubuntu. We are going to keep this like that, and we are going to click on continue. This process can take a while, so just be patient. Okay, now in this section, we are going to keep this as it is because we want to erase the whole disk and install Ubuntu. So we are going to click on install now button, and here we have just is an advice warning. It's for with some information about the partitions that we are going to do in the disk on the disk. So we are going to make two partitions, and 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 that's it. Just clicking continue, and it is going to take a while again. So now in here we are going to leave the Sun Brisbane like this, because for this exercise is what we are going to do. And here in this section we are going to put the name, the exercise. Ask us for put Eric, the computer's name we are going to leave it like that. Pick the username we are going to leave it like that as well, Eric. And we are going to put a password. The password just gonna be password. That's it. And just click on continue button. So now we have to wait a little bit. It's a long way sometimes, and we are going to do a transition when all these files are installed, and pretty much is that we have to wait, and see you in some minutes. So now the system is asking us for restart the system, and we are going to restart the system now. Is because it's a normal process in this installation. For every operative systems, uh, it's pretty much the same. So we are going to press restart now, and we are going to start the operative system from the core of the virtual machine. So let's see what happened in some minutes. So the system is restarting, so it's taking just a little bit. Here we are, and we have our user that is Eric, and we are going to put our password here. That's it, and just press enter to get the desktop the screen to the Ubuntu in Ubuntu. So is the first time that we are opening Ubuntu in our virtual machine after an installation, and that's the reason why it's taking some minutes. But now we have it. In this case, the system is asking for some configurations for some setups. So we are going to just click next, and we are going to do this other time. Just this is something to improve Ubuntu. If you wanna help or not, I'm just clicking now. Here it is, and click on next. And this is the privacy thing, and now we are ready. This is some apps that we have on Ubuntu. We have the Visual Studio Code, Android Studio, some client, Slack, Spotify, Discord, a lot of apps are already in Ubuntu. And here it is. This is the desktop. We have here all the panel for the principal things. Now, at this point, we are going to make two folders to share our computer that is a Mac computer with our Ubuntu in a virtual machine in a virtual machine. So the first step, we are in our folders, and we have to make two new folders. So we are going to rename it just something like image Mac, because we are on Mac. And now here media Mac. That's it. So here we have these folders, and those folders are empty. So this is our image folder and our media folder. So now we have to move to Oracle Virtual Machine, and here we have to click on settings, and here in settings we have to go to shared folders, and now just click in this plus folder and add the folder path of these two new folders that we made before. So now just click here in other, and we have to search our new folders. Here is Media Mac. Open. We have to check this thing here, auto mount, and clicking OK, and we have to add the other one. The other one was documents. One in this case, minor innovation, was Image Mac. Open, auto mount, and OK. Okay, here we have this these two paths. um, this, those ones are our folders, and just clicking OK, and the VirtualBox has now the, the the link of these two folders. So we have to start our Ubuntu, and here we are going to click in switch. This is because the system is switching the screen to Ubuntu. Just close this, and this is going to take a while. It's taking a while. So now we have our user, that is Eric. For this exercise, we write the password that we configured during the installation, and press enter, and now it's starting our session in this operative system in Ubuntu. So here we go in Ubuntu. Now we are going to open the files. The files is like documents, music, videos, all that files, that all that folders that we have in every operative system. So now we are going to go to documents, and here in documents we are going to make two new folders that we are going to link with the previous folders that we did before in Mac. So now in Ubuntu we have to do the same thing. We are going to click with the right button and click in new folder, and just put a name. Let's say image Ubuntu, because we are on Ubuntu, image Ubuntu. Okay, press enter, a new folder, media Ubuntu. So here we have two folders. Those ones are new folders and are empty, as you can see. Now we just close this folder, and now we are going to just open our terminal, our console. So we have to click here in show applications, and in this bar we have to type terminal. Here it is. Just one click, and here we go. We have the console, the terminal in Ubuntu. So the next step that we have to do, is we have to get the link, or linked these two folders with the other ones. So here in Ubuntu we can use this line command that I searched before. This is a command to share a folder from Ubuntu to Mac. So I'm using Mac, so I don't need to install Samba or things like that because I'm in Mac. Okay, so as I said before, I have here the link. This is the Linux command to share a folder with Mac. I did a little transition because my battery got low. So okay, anyway, so now we are here in Ubuntu in the terminal, and I have to type the command sudo mount t virtualbox save vbox save, vbox save, and the next parameter is the name of the folder in our Mac. So here we are going to type image um, image Mac, and this route, this path, sorry, this path is the path of the folder that we did here in Ubuntu, is this path. So we have to type home documents, home in jkey. This is the user that we have to put. In my case is Eric, and documents and that. Okay, so let's say home, let's say Eric for this example, and document. Ubuntu, in Ubuntu, when you are getting a name folder, you can type just the first words and press tab, and is going to autocomplete. So I'm going to put here the image and tap Ubuntu. That's it. So that's what I need, and I press enter. Here the system is asking me for the password, so I type the password and I got the first one. So in the second one I have to do the same thing. I did it for the image folder. So now I'm gonna do it for the media folder. So I just type the top row to get the same command, and the last command, and just change the parameters that I need, and that's it. I just need to put here, replace here for media. So just a check sudo mount t virtualbox save media Mac home Eric documents media Ubuntu. That's it. So we are going to press enter, and that's it. So now we are going to type exit to get out from the terminal, press enter, and now we are going to see here in Ubuntu the folders that we did before, and they now has two icons on the main icon. So it means that the link was successful, and now we are going to proceed to share some stuff. Here I'm gonna show again that I don't have anything in these folders, and in Ubuntu in the same way I don't have anything in here. Folder is empty. So I'm gonna put this video from a class in media, and this image in image Mac. So if I just put this and I check that the media video is in media folder, and this in here, okay, and now oops, I did an extra click. Okay, so in here in the Ubuntu we can check that the file was is in the Ubuntu folders. So this is pretty much that we have to do to share folders between a Mac and Ubuntu when we have Ubuntu in a VirtualBox machine. And that's it, pretty much is that. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.